Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. Click the Patreon link in the description to support our work directly, and as always, enjoy the video.
Up there?
Yeah.
Where are they?
All the way down.
Give me that buffer check on.
Somebody needs to be at the gate to let my people in.
Is that the corner?
Somebody go to the gate, let my people in. Both of you, come here. Come here. Both of you.
Information was sent
Come here.
teletype.
Put your hands behind your back.
Buffer check.
What?
Put your hands behind your back.
What?
Come here. Come here. Come here. We're going to get it figured out, but you're going to be detained first.
Oh my God. What do you think is going on?
So you're showing under control.
I need to stay on the phone with my mother.
So you can stay on the phone, but you're not holding it.
Okay, well don't hang up the phone,
All right.
Mom.
That's fine.
I'm not. Okay, call her back, Mom.
It's on. Let's go downstairs.
No.
We're going to figure it out. Let's go downstairs.
He just came over here and put me in here. Like I'm not supposed to be here. Exactly.
We'll get
I'm
it
the
figured.
one
We'll
fault.
get it figured out, okay? 44 Frank 20. We have 2 females detained.
So Frank 20 cleared. Two females in the tank.
Which one are you?
I'm Erin.
Okay.
And I actually have paperwork in there stating that I'm able to be here.
Who's been arrested from here?
Me. But
Yeah. What were you arrested for?
for a fight.
For assault, family.
Yeah. But that's all worked out.
All right.
I never came back over here while my protection order wasn't to be here. On Tuesday,
Never
I got
communicated
permission
that
from the
clear.
judge to be able to come here and get my stuff. They changed the
You
whole
put her in the back
address.
seat. We'll talk to her
They
outside.
changed the whole address for the protective order. I have all of my paperwork upstairs, and she texted my phone and asked me to be gone tomorrow. If you see, I literally was at Walmart getting storage boxes and everything like that, packing my things up. I come back, she has all of my stuff outside, and all of my stuff getting put on this truck. I have no idea where it's going. He is the mover. He under the impression it's her stuff.
All right. So back up. Give me a rundown. So
You want from the beginning?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so me and her were roommates. We got into it. Typical female things. We fell out, whatever.
Mhm.
We ended up getting into a physical altercation because she came home one day harassing me, threatening me, and then she pushed me. I defended myself. But I considered it a consensual fight. I did not call the police. I left 2.5 hours later. She called the police. And
So you got arrested a couple months ago,
days later.
or a couple days ago.
Like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Okay. So today.
So today, yesterday, on Tuesday, I went to court. The protection order was amended as far as this address goes. The judge told me that she should not be able to come here. She has to stay at her residence per the fact that I'm at this
So
residence.
did y'all both used to live here?
Yes, we were roommates.
Okay.
Okay.
So she moved out a couple weeks
She
ago.
moved out, yes, some weeks ago, but I still did not come back until my
Just
protection
minute,
order
see if family
stated that I was
services
able to come here and I had to stay away from her new residence. So I've only been here since yesterday. She texted my phone yesterday and told me that I needed to be gone by July 1st because she was coming to do a walkthrough with the apartment people or whatever. So today, I've been here all day packing and washing my things up. I literally went to Walmart for an hour to get boxes and storage containers. You can see that upstairs. I come back outside. He has a whole bunch of trash bags and my purse and things outside.
40, 50, indecent exposure, 3,700 bucks.
He's confused. He's like, no. It's the young lady upstairs in the apartment. She's having us take it to a storage. I'm like, what? So I knocked on the door. Well, no, he knocked on the door because I called the police immediately because I'm not supposed to be near her. He knocked on the door, and he was trying to ask her, like, wait, what's going on? She saw me standing there, hurry up and tried to slam the door in his face and lock the door. So I stayed on the phone with the police. I stayed away, whatever. I'm on the phone with the police. I'm begging them, like, please send somebody because this girl is trying to have my things go to a storage. She decides while I'm on the phone that she's going to leave so that when you guys get here, she's not here. And she tried to lock the door. So I tried to put my foot right there in the door because you're not about to lock the door with all of my stuff here. I need to get the rest of my things. You're not even
So
supposed
she was
to be
inside or outside at that point?
outside.
Okay, so she came out and went to go lock the door.
Lock the door, and I just tried to.
You have a key to the apartment?
No, I don't, and they refused to let me into the apartment. So I've been coming in. I got in yesterday because it was unlocked, and I'm able to be here per the police. So that's why I've been here. I mean, she's not even supposed to be here. Yeah, per the judge, I'm able to be here because she moved out over a week ago and has a whole new residence, and now she's here. And then when I asked her where you were going with my stuff, she said,
So what happens? She tries to lock the door. What happens from there?
I just put my foot in the door and she starts fighting me. Had me in a headlock. So then I got out of the headlock and she was stuck in between the door and she was still trying to leave and lock the door. So I stayed there because I'm like, no, we're staying here until the police get here. You're not about to lock me out with my stuff. And then that's when y'all came.
Okay, so nobody swung on anybody?
No.
Does she
tried to put, like,
she tried to leave? Wait, so she tried to leave, but in the process of trying to leave, she put you in a headlock?
No, she tried to leave. I put my foot here in between the door, and when I did that, that's when she tried to like put me in the headlock and push me into the door. But I kind of swiveled out of it and ended up back this way, and that's how you found us stuck in the door.
Okay, so nobody hit anybody.
No.
Okay.
It was a little tussle. I just want my stuff.
Gotcha. All right, hang out here with my partner, please. All right, let me get one of y'all over here, please. So
this one in the car is a resident. This one is a trespasser. She's a squatter and she's refusing to leave. I have a lease contract, so in a civil matter, I don't know. But right now, she's trespassing.
So she's never been on the lease?
She's never been on the lease agreement. This one is. This one submitted her 60-day notice to vacate, as she should have. This one has been calling, asking questions, and we're like, that's why we won't give her a key, because her as a resident, when she gives me notice, and they're supposed to turn in keys tomorrow.
Is it a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom?
2.
Okay.
Once they turn in keys tomorrow, that's it. She called yesterday saying she's not moving out. She knows her rights as a squatter. She's not leaving. So that's why she's not getting a key, because when she asks us to lock the door, when she comes in, I can't give her a key, because I go by this.
Yeah. I
can't give her a key. So as far as whose stuff is what, that part, that's a civil thing. But as of now...
So what did y'all see happen?
Your best bet's probably the ones that are inside.
Can you grab one of them?
Yeah,
or... Thank you.
Normal records, 18,000 block FM.
How long have y'all been here?
Years, at least it's up on July 1st. Hold on, Mom.
Okay. We'll get it all squared away.
Do y'all need to see the order?
We will contact the DA's office for that. They'll have all of that.
Williamsburg, 42 Animal Humane, 22.
Conditions of bond, anything like that about being around her?
Yeah, I'm not supposed to be near her, but she's not supposed to come to me. I didn't come to her. She came to me, and so how
But she was already here.
But I was here. I'm about to say, I was here.
She was in the apartment, and when you came here, right?
I came here, but how was I supposed to know she was here? She's not supposed to be here at all.
44 Frank 20, checking.
Under control, but I could use a check buy for a second vehicle.
Sorry,
Alright.
25's almost arrived.
What did you see?
So we're just delivering notices. We heard a lot of screaming, and so I just kind of peeked up, going up the stairs, and then I just see a bunch of bags, and I hear 2 girls fighting. The one that the red shorts was kind of like had her in a headlock like this. I saw that part too. Yeah, she had her like in a headlock, and she was just telling her let go of me, and she was just mad that all of her stuff was getting put outside because they're supposed to be moving out. So yeah, that's basically what I saw. That's whenever I called 911.
Okay. Did y'all see anybody hitting anybody, anything like that?
No, I know that the one with the pants had kind of like her hair almost all down. Like she just had her in a headlock. I see her hair almost on the floor. Didn't see them punching each other. I just saw the girl in the red shorts just kind of have.
What was she saying? Do you remember?
They were just arguing. They were just kind of like cussing at each other.
One of them wasn't being more aggressive or making any threats.
I think they were both pretty much like kind of this. I mean, they were just both basically upset. Yeah. Awesome.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You gonna be here for a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come back inside if I need anything. Thank you.
I have a quick question. Report. In regards to what happens now, do you know? Because technically she has a right.
I'm gonna call the DA's office and we'll get it all squared away.
She doesn't, but this is technically her apartment.
Yeah.
And
I got you. We're gonna call the DA's office and get it figured out. We'll let you know.
Can we? She has requested that her lock, Jayla, this one, has requested that the locks be changed.
Yeah, if she's, yes ma'am.
Okay, perfect.
Yes,
Just making sure.
Yep.
I'm like, part of this might be civil, but
Yeah.
when I go. Okay,
Yep.
perfect.
As long as you're going off what you need to go off of.
Thank you.
Negative.
All right. What's going on?
Okay,
24 boys
I
to
want to
traffic.
say first that I have been living with that female. She has been extremely violent.
Well, let's do. So I understand you got arrested a couple weeks ago. There was what kind of was there a protective order put in place? What's your understanding?
Protective order was put in place. I was under the impression that we can be in the same area, but she cannot threaten, harass me, or touch me. When I went to go close the door.
So let me back. So did you, after she got arrested, did you start the moving process to move somewhere else? Or you had a secondary residence?
I started the moving process to move somewhere else because I had a feeling that they were gonna let her back into her residence. My lease. We knew that before the arresting happened, that the last day that we were gonna be occupying this apartment was June 30th. We knew that before the arrest. It was never any secret of that June 30th was the last day of the lease.
So let's back up a little bit. So you're moving today?
No, I moved majority of my things out. There was a few more things that I had left in there to move today.
So you were here getting everything else moved. Were you aware that she was coming to the location? Y'all make an agreement?
I told her that I would be coming to move this stuff out of the apartment. That's when she told me that she will be occupying the apartment till July 9th. And I told her, like, hey, like, what do you mean you're going to occupy the apartment till July 9th? You can't. And basically, like, I just was, like, trying to tell her, like, I've been told her before, we have to be out by the 30th. And then when I told her again, I told her again.
Today?
Yesterday I told her that I will be coming to get the things.
With an intent that you knew she would come over here and you're okay with that to help move? Or what's the deal? That's
the whole part. She said she was going to be here. That's fine. I just, with it being in my name, if she's here past the date, then I'm going to get an eviction on my name.
So what happened today? She comes over.
And I'm moving the remainder of the things out because at this point, I don't know what she's doing. I don't know what she's doing. I'm just trying to get the stuff out so that I don't get an eviction on my name. I don't know. I'm clearing the whole apartment out because it's in my name.
So you're moving everything that's in there, no matter what it was, right?
Because I have to. If I don't, then
they're gonna get you. I got you.
I'm moving. I'm so sorry. Like I'm a little. This is.
Gotcha. Take a
breath.
breath.
I'm very shaken up by this because I was not trying to have any type of altercations with her. I just wanted her out the apartment when the lease is up.
I got you. So hold up. Just take a deep breath, okay? Deep breath. We got time. Okay? I don't want you to get yourself too worked up. Okay? I apologize. This is just... So were you inside the apartment when she gets here?
Yes, I was inside the apartment.
Okay, so what happens from there?
So I tried to exit the apartment and close the door, and I did try to lock the door, and that's...
So she couldn't get back in, and because you were worried about her squatting kind of thing?
That's the thing. Her saying that her last thing she told me was she was going to stay there till July 9th.
Yeah.
If she stayed there till July 9th, I would have had an eviction on my name.
Okay, so you tried to lock the door.
I was going to go turn the keys in. So then, because they said I could turn the keys in, and...
So we're trying step by step, right? So you go in to try to lock the door. What happens from there?
She puts her hands on me, starts like trying to push me off the door.
So she's like trying to push you away from the door to get inside?
Yes, pushing me off
What is she, like shoving type of deal?
She's trying to shove, and she's trying to use her whole body to like she's trying to grab and like use her body to like.
And are you trying to like block her too?
At that point I am trying
to
kind
of like push on each other.
I'm trying to close the door. When I was closing the door, I did not touch her. She began physically.
Were you injured in any of it?
Pushing on me, pulling on me, hitting on me, pulling my hair
How did she hit you?
Like with her hand, she's trying to like push my hands down like off the door. She's trying to hit them off the door. She's trying to
like slapping your hands out of the way.
Like a hit, like a
closed fist.
Like a punch, like a closed fist punch.
So you're trying to hold the door shut, and she's trying to get your hands off.
Yeah, she's trying to push on me, trying to punch on me, trying to do all this, and I'm so tired of her. It's just...
Gotcha. So when she did that hurt?
Yes, that hurt.
How many times do you think she did it?
Well, she did it at least like
Florida plate.
Pushing on me, punching on me, at least like 4 or 5 times, and then we just got in a standstill. we got like in a locked standstill, and that's when I'm calling, like I'm trying to get somebody to call the police because I just don't want to like, deal with this.
So, headlock thing, give me run down on that.
Yeah, so she had like one of my arm was in her, between her legs, and then my head was like in between her other arm.
Okay, did you ever put her in a headlock during the melee? No. Okay.
And I understand that my protection order, we are allowed to be in the same spot, but she is not supposed to touch me.
I got you. We'll get that figured out, okay?
44.3. Send me the animal. Give me references.
Can your car here? Can you put her in your car so I can make phone calls?
Hey, look, girl, come on. You just can't win for losing. Let's go over here.
All right, we're gonna start making phone calls. So, she's going to jail on continuous family violence. Yep. Based on the previous incident.
Because it just happened 2 weeks ago.
So they amended the protective order because she moved her residence, but she's still actively moving out of here, so they changed the protective order. This isn't listed on the protective order.
Oh.
So, but I got the felony.
Yeah.
Continuous family violence.
VPO is
yeah. So she's gonna be thrilled. Alright, step out for me. We're gonna go over here to my Tahoe.
61, very good. I'm going to 22631 Colonial Park.
22, track that major wrong.
22 clear.
Alright, you don't got anything in your pocket? No. So you're under arrest for assault, family violence, continuous, so have a seat. Yes, ma'am.
Why? I have an order.
Yeah, they said this isn't listed on the protective order anyway.
So you
still...
That this address isn't under...
It's not, so that's why you're not going to jail for the violation of protective order. You're going for assault, family violence, continuous.
What does that mean?
Means there was assault today.
139, I was clear.
Oh, how did I tell her she hit me when I was trying to get my stuff?
All right, well, that'll all be handled out in court, okay?
27-year-old Aaron Newsom was arrested on one felony count of continuous assault on a family member and one felony count of violating a protective order. If convicted, she faces up to 10 years in prison. Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content, or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.